welcome to another session of tips and tricks. Today I'm going to be focusing on how we can customize the navigation bar. And for those who need just a quick refresh on what the navigation bar is, that's this little section to the right hand side of your graphics window and this little bar here. So how can we customize it? Now at the moment what you can see on there are some default commands. We've got the pan command, we've got several zoom commands, we've got our orbit command, and we've also got the look at option as well that allows us to look at a face or look at a sketch, for example. But what if I want to add certain things to it, and what options are available to me? So first of all, we're going to start by having a look at how we can navigate to the other commands that can be added to this navigation bar. And that's by selecting this little button to the bottom right hand corner of the navigation bar. So I'm going to select that, and that brings out this flyout menu. Now the options that I'm going to show you inside here are literally these at the bottom: projection and visual styles. So if I want to change the projection or a visual style, currently I'd go up to the view tab on the ribbon. I can change my visual style here between different visual styles. And then if I want to change from orthographic, I can go from orthographic to perspective and back. But again, if I go to this small command at the bottom right hand side of the navigation bar, I can actually turn these commands on and put them on the navigation bar itself. So now instead of going to view, I can go to my navigation bar, I can turn it from orthographic to perspective, and I can also change the visual style as well. Quite a neat little trick, and definitely speeds up small processes that you may use on a daily basis. We can also change the position of where the navigation bar actually sits within our graphics window. So if you look down here, we've got the docking positions. So for example, if I wanted it at the top left, I can then move it to the top left. If I want to move it to the bottom right, I can move it to the bottom right. We've also got a couple of options for active opacity and inactive opacity. Now, I like to have my active opacity set to 100%, which means take my mouse away, you can see it goes slightly dimmer or slightly opaque. Now, if I change the inactivity to 0, you'll notice then that if I'm not selecting the actual navigation bar itself, it disappears. But if I hover over it, it then reappears. So again, helping me maximize my actual graphics window. Okay, well, have a go with them, see what's right for you, and tune into the next tips and tricks session.